The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri until 1:15 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Evansville, or 5 miles northeast of St. Genevieve, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Genevieve, Steelerville, Evansville, Baldwin, Preston, Blair, Ellis Grove, Walsh, Roots, New Palestine, Modoc, and Kellogg. This includes the following state parks: Phoenix Valley State Park. Shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Randolph County in southwestern Illinois. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern Lincoln County, northern St. Charles County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, or 9 miles north of St. Paul. This storm was nearly stationary. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winfield and Chain of Rocks around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Old Monroe, Beatville, Batchtown, Meppen, and Brussels. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Lincoln County, north central Warren County until 7 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of southwestern Lincoln and north central Warren counties. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Lincoln, and Warren.